Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today I'll guide you on how to add a screensaver for your MacBook. Adding a screensaver not only helps protect your screen but also adds a personal touch to your MacBook. Let's dive right into it. But if this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. So first of all, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of your screen and now choose System Settings. And here you have to choose Desktop and Dock. And here you have to choose Screensaver. And from here you can explore the screensavers. There are so many screensavers available for MacBook. You can download them and use them for your MacBook. So once you have selected your favorite screensaver, it will start to download and it will start automatically. You can adjust the Start After setting to decide how long your MacBook should wait before starting the screensaver. For example, I'm choosing this one. You can click on this Lock Screen Settings and from here you can choose this option Start Screensaver when inactive. For me, I have chosen it as for 20 minutes. You can change it. And that's it, you have successfully added a screensaver to your MacBook. That's all about the guide on how to add a screensaver on your MacBook. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.